Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. As you can tell from the title of this video, I'm back with a couple more Madame Glam gel nail polishes. I really like them when they sent me the first couple of shades, and so I got in touch with them again and they agreed to send me a couple more shades so that I can swatch them for you and so that you guys can see a couple more shades, because I think they're really gorgeous and there's literally so many on their website. I think it's really hard to pick which one is gonna be the best for you. As I previously mentioned, they have some shimmery and metallic shades, and I didn't pick up any of those. I stick to the more creamy, more opaque shades, but I'm very happy with everything they sent me. I won't be showing you the little UV lamp again that you use to set the gel nail polishes in place. And I won't be talking about the base coat and the top coat that you always have to use with these gel nail polishes. I will simply show you the shades that I have, and as an extra I will show you the 3 shades from the previous video as well, because in that video I talked more about the brand itself and how the whole system works, and in today's video I want to focus on the shades and the swatches. And in the last video I only swatched the shades on one finger, and now I wanted to do the whole hand so you can really tell how it will look on your hand, hopefully. They sent me 6 new shades and I have the 3 shades from the previous video. So in total we're gonna swatch 9 shades of gel nail polish in today's video. I will also have my coupon code link down below again that you can use to get a discount from them. And without further ado, we're gonna jump right into the swatches. The first shade I have here is called My Oh My, and it is a gorgeous baby pink color. In my previous video I showed you a shade called Summer Coming. This one is a lot more of a dusky rose color. I really like this one. It's very sophisticated. It's definitely not a Barbie pink or a baby pink though. It's a very wearable, sophisticated shade of pink. The next shade we have here is the shade Envy, and the best I could describe this shade is probably a dusty purple shade. It definitely has purple but also beige in it. I don't really know how to describe it, but this is my most favorite shade out of all of them. There's literally no time or occasion that this shade wouldn't suit, and I love shades like that because when I do my nails I want them to go well with any outfit, and this shade is so gorgeous. The next one is called Pretty Liar, and this is definitely a purple gray shade, maybe more of a gray than a purple, but I can definitely see purple in it. Again, gorgeous. I can totally see myself wear it, maybe more in the autumn and winter than the summer, but if this is your kind of shade, it's gonna be gorgeous. The next one is called Perfect White, and I think the name really speaks for itself. They have this collection of shades called Perfect. They have Perfect White, red, black, green, blue, and I picked up Perfect White because I wanted to have a nice white shade to use for a French manicure or even for nail art projects. The next one is called Reddy Red, and the reason I decided to go with this one instead of the Perfect Red shade is because I wanted to have a bit of blue in it. I prefer bluish red over your traditional red shade, and I have noticed in the past that because of my cool toned skin, blue red looks really good on me, and this shade is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love with it. The next one is called Perfect Black, and as the name suggests, it's a very opaque, beautiful black shade. I love using it all over the nail or just as part of the nail art. I think this is another must-have shade. And now moving on to the 3 shades that I already had in the previous video. The first one is called Kind Salmon, and it's a gorgeous salmon coral shade. I love shades like this in the summer. It's basically a pinky shade with a hint of orange in it. So wearable, so gorgeous, but As I said before, it's more for the summertime. Then I have the shade Light Ruby. This is almost like a darker version of Envy. It is a gorgeous purple shade, a very wearable one, has a lot of dustiness to it, has a bit of grey in it and a bit of beige, which makes it very wearable. When you look at the bottle, it actually looks a lot darker than it does on your nails, and yeah, it's another gorgeous color. And last but not least, Summer Coming, which is another big favorite of mine. It's a gorgeous white based pink shade, very easy to wear on lighter skin tones. You might run into some problems if you have darker skin, because like I said, it is a white based shade, but on lighter skin tones like mine, it's gonna look absolutely gorgeous. So those are all the shades I have so far. I really love all of them. If I had to pick a favorite, it would probably be Envy, but I picked them all myself, so obviously I love all of them. If you would like to have another look at these shades, I will be uploading individual pictures on my Instagram, just like I did with the first 3 shades. And if you decide to purchase some of them, don't forget to use my code, which will be again down in the description of today's video. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have you here. And until next time, take care of yourself. I will see you very soon. Bye.